Hi, in this session we'll discuss of an empty set or a null set. So an empty set or a null set is a set which contains nothing, that means which has no elements in a set. We call that as an empty set. So here we represent the empty set as the symbol open and closed flower brackets, or we can even write a 0 and put a cross. Then it is called an empty set or a null set. So an empty set or null set is a very simple, is a set that contains nothing, no elements, and it is represented with these two flower brackets, or you can even represent with this symbol. We call this as pi. We call this symbol as pi. We can represent either by using the pi symbol, or we can even represent with open and closed brackets. Now we'll see an example here. For example, if I have a set like A is equal to some elements number 1 and 2, so 3 and 4. So A is having number 4 elements which are 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we'll take another set B. So this is my another set which is a B, which is equal to, I have some elements even in set B, and I am having number 5, 6 and 7. 5, 6 and 7. So this is my A, which has 4 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4 are natural numbers, and this is a set B which has 5, 6 and 7. So now if I am defining A intersection B, so A intersection B. A intersection B is nothing but the common elements between A and B. The common elements on the sets A and B. So if you take A and if you see B and check the elements in A, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and B consists 5, 6 and 7. If we observe both sets A and B, we can find no element as common. So this is a different set and this is a different set. So no elements are common in between A and B. So we represent symbolically the common elements of A and B with the symbol intersection. This is called intersection. A intersection B means any common elements in A and B. So if we observe this, we don't find any common elements. So in this case, we represent the A intersection B set as a null set, like a simple flower bracket, or we can even represent this with a pi, which is a null set. We call this as a null. So if we have set A and if we have set B, and if we have no common element in A and B, then we can represent the set as a null set. So simple definition, an empty set or a null set is a set. It is known as a set. So any element if you put between open and closed bracket, which is called a set. So if there is no element in this open and closed bracket, that means it is an empty set or a null set. So this is a simple example. This is a simple example for defining of a null set.